Welcome to InJamaica, and if this is your first time here, please subscribe, click the notification bell, and stick around to see places in Jamaica. This video is aimed at giving you a general overview, but you can check the video description for added information. Currently, we are driving west from Appleton towards Vauxhall. Entering Vauxhall. This is a B6 road. The road to the left is the Coca Main Road, and this will take you into Coca District. Additionally, the Coca Main Road can take you to Coca Seventh-day Adventist Church, Coca Seventh-day Adventist Basic School, and also to Bartons Community. The road here on the immediate right will take you to Thronton Community. To the right, you can find Appleton Tower Maze Cave. Entering Maggoty. The road sign on the left indicates that Maggoty Roundabout is just ahead. It also indicates that going left will take you to Maggoty and Santa Cruz, and going right will take you to Accompong and Elderslie. Additionally, approximately 100 meters to the left you can find the Maggoty High School, and further up you will find the Upper Valley Park. And also, the B6 road continues left passing through Maggoty. We are now heading northwest towards Accompong and Elderslie. Please remember to subscribe to InJamaica. Give us a like and share, and thank you all for watching.